Hey everybody! Today we are going to show you how to assemble our Smartravel electric bike. Let's go! 1, 2. In a small box we have pedals, tools, wrenches, manual, axis and charger. So we need this to install the handlebar. Okay, first we have to make the angle 45 degrees. And how we do it? So obviously we have to open that space. And same procedure. Okay, and now we place the handlebar where it's supposed to be. So next we're installing the kickstand. Okay, first step, removing the screws. Okay, so now we are going to install the front wheel. In order to do it, we need to prepare. So now we are going to install the front wheel. First of all, this red element inside of the brake. Second of all, this one also, we don't need it. And now, protection on both sides, taken away. We place in the wheel. The brake shield needs to go along the brake, right? So, like this. And now we need to insert the axis. Okay, so we unscrew the top part. Next, we take care of front fender. Let's install it. So, this is the position it's supposed to be installed at, okay? So, we need to take out those screws from here with the washer. 1, 2, don't lose them, and the third one. So, we place the fender and the screw. Okay, number 1, number 2. So now we're going to install the headlight. Okay, we're going to need those two tools, and first of all, we need to get rid of those 2 screws. Okay, and we can do it with our own hands, very easy. 1, 2. Okay, don't lose them. We place it above this level, very important. Cables going up. And now we connect the cables. Okay, the red ones go to red ones. The green one connects with the green one. Okay, so starting with the green one. Next step, pedals. When you see the R letter, well, that stands for right. Okay, and this one is for left. Just let's do it. We attach it like this. And the right one. The next one is the rear rack. Okay, first take off the screws. And the last step, we connect the cables. Okay, so green goes to green. Done. Okay, and the charger, the outlet of the e-bike. The red color stands for in the process of charging. So once it turns green, it's fully charged. So we can also detach the battery from the e-bike. How to do it? I'll show you. We take the keys, we insert them. Okay, we hold in here because the battery is going to drop from here. We turn it and press the button here. Once we pressed it, the battery should be released. Like this, okay? Now carefully, we take it out. Like this. Okay, now the battery is out and we can charge it at home, inlet. We plugged it in and the battery is charging. So now we put it back in. Okay, we take a look beneath. Here we have the connectors, and they need to come together in here. So okay, let's slide it back in. So this is the first thing. Okay, and then don't forget about turning the keys in the same motion that we did at the beginning when we were detaching the battery. Okay, so now it goes like this, and we lock it up. Okay, and now we give it a final test. Let's see how it works overall. Okay, starting with ignition. Headlight. Directions. Gears. The brakes work just fine.